This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Spark plugs renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. Pull the engine cover upwards from its mountings. Undo the retaining screw, push the air intake pipe rearward slightly, then remove the sound insulation material above the high-pressure pump at the top of the engine. Slide out the locking clip, squeeze the sides, and pull the wiring plugs from the ignition coils. Undo the bolt and pull the ignition coils from the top of the spark plugs. Note that the bolts are captive in the coils. Using a spark plug socket and extension, unscrew and remove each of the spark plugs. If necessary, use a magnet or length of plastic pipe to withdraw the plugs. It is often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the aluminium cylinder head. Fit the new plugs and tighten them to the specified torque. Press the ignition coils firmly onto the top of the plugs, then tighten the retaining bolts to the specified torque. Reconnect the coil's wiring plugs, then press down the locking clip to secure them. Refit the sound insulation material above the high-pressure fuel pump. Refit and tighten the air intake pipe retaining screw. Press the engine cover firmly down onto its mountings. Firmly close the bonnet.